Imagine you're a captain navigating a ship through a stormy sea. Without a reliable compass and chart, you'd be lost, right? In the world of work, projects can often feel like that stormy sea. Deadlines loom, tasks pile up, and teams can get easily lost without a clear direction. That's where a project management tool like Wrike comes in. Question: but what exactly is Wrike? And how does it help you navigate the choppy waters of project management? Answer: Wrike is a cloud-based project management software that brings together teams and tasks in one place. It's like your personal compass and chart, guiding you towards project success. Key features and benefits: task management. Create, assign, and track tasks with ease. Set due dates, priorities, and dependencies. Collaborate with team members on tasks. Project planning. Build project timelines and Gantt charts. Set milestones and goals. Manage project resources effectively. Team collaboration. Create shared workspaces and folders. Communicate and collaborate in real time. Share files and documents. Reporting and analytics. Track project progress and performance. Generate customizable reports. Identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. How Wrike works: intuitive interface, easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, customizable dashboards for personalized views, integration capabilities, connect with popular tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, streamline workflows and reduce manual tasks, mobile app, stay connected and manage projects on the go, access tasks, collaborate and receive notifications. Wrike use cases: marketing teams, plan and execute marketing campaigns, track content creation and distribution, measure campaign performance. Development teams, manage software development projects, track bug fixes and feature requests, collaborate on code reviews. Creative teams, organize design projects and creative briefs, manage content calendars and editorial workflows, collaborate on creative concepts. Small businesses, streamline operations and improve productivity, track projects and tasks across departments, collaborate with remote teams. Wrike versus competitors. Comparison with other popular project management tools. Highlight Wrike's unique features and advantages. Discuss pricing and value proposition. Testimonials and case studies. Share real-world examples of how Wrike has helped businesses succeed. Highlight customer satisfaction and positive outcomes. Conclusion. Recap the key benefits and features of Wrike. Emphasize how Wrike can streamline your workflow and improve project outcomes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.